finishing off the show is this row of trucks over here. I'll hit them pretty quick.
Thank you. You guys remember, we had a great time today. Hope you enjoyed your day at the show today. We got some other things coming up.
This is a 98 Yukon. This over here is a 1990. And then over here we have a Ram 1500 out of 2012. Get on this Corvette over here. It's an 81. Got an 81 Corvette over here. And then transitioning to the Chevelle. We'll get the year on it. The Chevelle. This is a 72.
Okay. His choice came out to entry number 2. Raymond Lehman, 1955 Ford Crown Vic.
This is the 72. Here's a shot of the show pretty much. It's kind of small. It's smaller than it was last year. It was really not this small last year. There was, I think, more vehicles. I think they're giving out awards. Wewoka Fire Department came out. Oh, we've got the dunk tank going. Wewoka Fire Department's out here. They got a table. Got the dunk tank going.
A little bit of info on our fire gear, SPNs.
Great.
How hot it usually gets in a house fire.
All right.
Alright, here we go.
Got the Interceptor over here. There's a roller in the background. Check out that big GMC. There are vendors out here with food, drinks. We got corn out here. All kinds of vendors. One of the tables out here with the vendors. The vendors out here. Selling all your cornhole needs. Just the pool races. Two contestants. He's a mover. I think we just found the winner. I think we just saw the winner right there. Okay. I don't think there's any more entries. That's about it. We got the crowd here. This is the 2022 Wewoka Lake Festival turtle races. And now they don't want to move.
The press there. You made him mad, he ain't even gonna go now.
There he goes. All right, here we go. All right. Second place is coming up fast.
Here comes the red ear.
Second place is coming up fast.
First, second, third.
gotta flip them. We got first place over here. First place right there. Second's coming up. There's second and third. And there's the turtle races. Not a part of the show, but there's some vehicles.